Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Offense on your Trend Lines Trader channel. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing this once again. Today is the 14th of April and it's Thursday. Yes, no? Thursday. Actually, it's almost Friday. It feels like Friday in South Africa today because tomorrow is the Good Friday. I hope in some countries where it's a Good Friday, Easter tomorrow, Easter weekend from tomorrow, I believe you feel like it's Friday today. By the way, whatever that is happening around the world, we are not there. We are focusing on what's happening around our markets, our chart, our trading. Yes, we are trading. We are traders. We're gonna focus on the charts. Let's do this thing. It's live and we are pushing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking at NASDAQ on 1 hour time frame. Yes. And you can see earlier I did post a video about what do you call the daily analysis. Yes, we were doing daily analysis, and what was our prediction? Our prediction was around this area where the price is at the moment. The price will give us a little bit sell or pullback signal or structure before it pushed towards the upside. So I want you guys to witness that this is our, what do you call that, pullback that I was talking about, because the price is bullish since since the price didn't manage to break out of this area level, this support zone. So I'm telling you, the price will push towards the upside. If you don't believe me, just wait and see. You will believe after you see. You want to see before you believe. Some people, they are those people called the Thomases, those Thomas, Thomas in the Bible used to say to Jesus, I want the proof before I believe you are Jesus. Anyway, let's not go to the Bible studies. Let's focus on our charts. This is trading studies. I'm doing this live. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm feeling a little bit energetic, though I'm a bit tired, but feeling a little bit energetic because the price is going according to my prediction, and I just hope this will just this candle will close. Let's see how many minutes left around here. 11 minutes left for this candle to close, and the price is selling. What could happen is the price will push. Remember, it has to give us a retest, but I wish to see the price find a support around this level over here. If you can see, even if you look on your left side or the left side of the chart, you can see the price used to respect this area or this level. The price used to respect this level quite often. So what I'm looking forward for is to see the price making that significant U-turn around this area. I hope you guys are witnessing exactly what I am witnessing at the moment. We just have to wait and see. In the meantime, even if we want to witness this, we just have to go on and my mic was on the way. Let me move it a little bit here. Yeah, I think this is much better now. So in the meantime, what we can do while we are looking at our price, we can look around this what you call another candlesticks to check if the price is going according to what we plan it to go. Look at the US 30. Okay, I was off ramping there. I was taking an off ramp. Let me go to the US 30 before. Wow, look at this, bruh. Look at our US30. Somebody might say my charts are a little bit messy, but I want you to understand I can see better than what you guys thinking. If you think this is a mess, nah, for me it makes sense. I hope it will make sense to you guys. Let me do it like this. Let me reset and go to 4 hourly so that I can show you something on the USDT. I hope now the price makes sense to you. Whoever saw it as a messy chart, I hope now it makes sense. Look at this. I hope you guys are able to see this. Previously we had this type of channel where the price was pushing towards the upside, and the price broke out of this diagonal support zone and pushed towards the downside, where we retested and pushed towards the downside to give us a lower low. This is our first lower low, second lower low. Instead of the price pushing towards the downside to give us another lower low, what did the price do? The price didn't manage to break this previous lower low, this area right here. As you can see, it was giving us this W pattern and it pushed towards the upside, where it broke that initial, what you call resistance, excuse me, where it broke that initial resistance. So now we are witnessing our price breaking this resistance, and now we had a retest. Now we are about to push towards the upside. I hope it makes sense to you guys. One thing that I want you guys to understand again is that if you look at your, what do you call, resistance and support structures, this is something that we have to witness. The price gave us a very significant point right here where it created support. This area was respected as a support, and the price gave us this type of structure, your left shoulder and your head, and now the right shoulder. It pushed towards the downside. I hope you know the left and the head and shoulder pattern, where the price breaks or where the price signifies that is about to push towards the downside. If you have the inverted head and shoulder pattern, the price is pushing towards the upside. Like, look at this. If you end up having something like this, this is the inverted name, you will see your price going the upside after breaking the neck, level. So here I want you guys to be aware of something. What am I doing now? Just a minute. I want you guys to be aware of something. The price was giving us this type of structure right here. I hope you will see it like this. I hope this is very visible. Now we are pushing towards the upside. I hope you can see it. Let's go to the line chart so that you can be able to tell. Let's go to the line chart. This is our left shoulder, our head, our right shoulder, and now we are pushing towards the upside. That's trading made easy. This is what I'm going through on a daily basis, and let me tell you, trading has made me to have a disciplined mindset, and I am very patient lately because of now I have been involved into a very industry that wants you to be more patient than ever. You become the most patient person ever, because you treat this trading thing as a business. Because when you are running a business, you know that this week or or this weekend the business won't go according to your plans, next weekend the business can go or shock you and go exactly as you want it to go. Remember, this is NASDAQ 100. Let's take a peek on NASDAQ 100. Let's go to the chart, your Japanese candlesticks, so that we can be able to tell where is the price going. The price is about to make a reversal. Remember, I said I want to see, let me remove this. I said I want to see the price finding support zone there. I hope this makes sense. Let me fix the mic there so that it doesn't block my view. Trading is fun, especially when you do it yourself. You don't have to look for someone to trade for you. Those people who say they will trade for you, they say deposit some 2,000 or 5,000 in a random account. Let me tell you, those are the scammers. In trading, you have to open an account with a broker. In your broker account, you deposit in your broker, in your account, not to the broker. You deposit in your account, and then you trade with your account by yourself. There's no one who should call you and tell you, let me trade for you, give me your password, your account password, or what you call PIN number, so that I can trade for you. Give me your information, your details for me to get through to your account so that I can trade for you. There's no such. Don't ever give, if you're gonna give someone your details to trade for you and you depend on them, let me tell you, you're gonna lose. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a nice pattern. Look at this. These three bearish candles. These three bearish candles are called three black crow. Three black crows are the candlestick pattern that shows that the price is about to make a reversal, or the chart, or the trend. I will show you. Let's go to Google again. Open our Google. I want you guys to see something. People, they say trading is difficult. Trading is not difficult. What's difficult is psychological. What you have to set your psychological what. Come on, what is the word that I'm looking for? I'll tell you. I'll come back with the word and tell you what I was trying to say there. You have to prepare yourself. Okay, let's go to candlesticks. What is that? Three black crow. Yeah, forex. Three black crows. Let's see, what does it mean. Usually I always use the Investopedia to check, this Investopedia, to check the definition of the candlesticks. This is how I study my trading candlesticks. For me to, this is my favorite broker, XM. You never go wrong with XM. You only go wrong when you lose the money because you're trading or you made the mistakes. So what are the three black crows? Three black crows is a phrase used to describe a bearish candlestick pattern that may predict the reversal of an uptrend. Candlesticks charts show the day's opening high, low, and closing price for a particular security. For stocks moving higher, the candlestick is white or green. When moving lower, they are black or red. So what we are having is red. Remember, the black crow pattern consists of 3 consecutive long-bodied candlesticks that have opened within the real body of the previous candle and closed lower than the previous candle. I hope you get it. I hope you get it. 3 consecutive long-bodied candlesticks that have opened within 3 real body of the previous candle and closed lower than the previous candle. Let's go to the chart and witness this. Let's go to, this is what I want you guys to say, 3-bodied candlesticks, and they predict the reversal of the bullish. This is bullish, actually this is bearish, overall bearish, but now the price broke. It's a reversal of that bullish trend that pushes towards the downside, and this shows that let me delete this so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. I was about to say this right here. It shows that our candlestick is about to close, and now we're gonna see the next candlestick opening. Maybe it's gonna be, not maybe, yeah, probably it will be the bullish candlestick if the market respects this candlestick, these 3 black crows candlesticks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to 1 hour and 1 hour time frame. Look at that bullish candlestick. It shows that we might be pushing towards the upside. What we have to see is if the price doesn't respect the area here, the level here, and push, it's gonna push towards the outside. It's gonna break, retest, and push towards the downside, where we will witness our price coming to this area here to retest. I hope that makes sense. So some people do check a 15-minute time frame. Let's reset our chart so that you can be able to understand that 15 minutes time frame. Another thing that I want you guys to be aware of, notice that we have a blue line which is our, is it EMA? Yes, I'm always using EMA. Yes, EMA, exponential moving average 21. The length is 21 and source is closed, offset 0. This one is smoothing. That's the method of it. So usually I'm using this so that I'm using it as a support or as a resistance at some point, and when it's working or when it's moving as a support, you can see it moves just right below the candlesticks, below the trend, where you'll find it's supporting the candlesticks. But when it's above, you see here we were having the break of structure. As you can see, the structure broke out of our moving average, broke from our moving average, and it gave us a retest and push towards the downside with this type of candlesticks. And our moving average now is on top or is above our candlesticks. One thing that I can tell you, it shows us that it's our resistance now. So the price respected the area and pushed towards the downside. It's something that we need to be aware of when we trade, and I want you to be aware of this again. Where the price is at, since this moving average is working, or I'm using it as an area of value, I will have to wait for the price to push towards this moving average, closer to it. For example, look at this. I want you to see this. The moving average was just below, or was moving close to the candlesticks. Now the candlesticks pushed towards the downside, away from the moving average. This was giving me the sign of the strong momentum of the price, since, well, it was around the opening session, New York opening session. If you look at my candlestick, it was around from 3:30 p.m. in South Africa and 9:30 p.m. in US time zone. So you can see that as the price was moving away from the moving average, just have to wait for it to come close to the price of value, and voila, you will start to wait and see if maybe it will be somewhere around here before it touches. Oh, there is the break. There is the breakthrough. Now it's breaking, now it's pushing, now it's bleeding. Oh, NASDAQ, pusher, NASDAQ. So the price didn't respect the area. I can tell that I will just have to wait and see if the price come to retest and continue with the sell, or if not, the price will find a support around this level. Let me use this horizontal line so that you can see what I'm talking about. Yes, that's exactly the level where I'm saying the price is breaking. It seems like it's breaking out. Oh yes, the NASDAQ is bleeding. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go to the left side and try to find another level where the price might find the support. I think it's about to, it looks weak, but it's pushing. Okay, another area that we can say the price can respect, it's around this area right here, this level right here. If the price breaks here, if the price breaks this area, this level, you're gonna see it sailing up until this area, and we have to get the reversal. Nah, I erased the wrong lines. I wanted to use those lines. This is where I was saying the price was gonna respect, and it seems like it broke. Now this is the level. Why I'm using these left side levels? I'm using them because it's the history. We refer from the history of our chart, our price, because this clearly tells us where the price might go or which levels the price might respect. And whenever the price reaches those levels, we just have to wait and see whether it respects or breaks. You see, now it broke this level. We just have to wait. Oh, this is our target. Oh, this is our target now. Usually something that you don't know. I hope in future you will see it. When the price push, let me use this. This is a short position name. Short position. There we go. Pusher price. Pusher there. This is what we usually use for the target. This will be our take profit, our target. Excuse me. But one thing that I want you to witness is this right here, this level right here. This level right here. Yes. Let me place the horizontal line, the yellow line, this level right here. Let's go to the back right here. This is the level where the price respected. One thing I want you guys to know is that you will place your stop loss just around the halfway of your previous bullish candlestick. Now that we are selling, if we were buying, we would have placed it around the halfway of our previous bearish candlestick. So one thing that I want you to be aware of, when you see that the price is breaking the areas that you were targeting before, you start placing the buys or the sells or start open your trades. That's when you do it. For me, I don't know about the other traders, but that's when, like this area, I was targeting. If the price is continuing selling, if it doesn't respect the area, it breaks out, we just gonna place those trade. So I want you to know that this area, when it was broken, as we saw the price push towards the downside, then retested, it was clearly saying the price has level has been broken. Now we're gonna push towards the downside, and the level was broken, retested, and pushed towards the downside. At the moment, we are retesting. In the lower time frame, you're gonna see a bullish candlestick, which is blue, obviously. Let's go to the lower time frame, 5-minute time frame. Look at that. It shows that we are retesting the level here. If the price respect the area, we're gonna push towards the downside. I hope you understand. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Now the price seems like it's respecting the area. In the 5-minute time frame, we just have to wait for our 5 minutes to finish, the candlestick close. Then after candlestick closes, we might have your bearish candlestick for us to reach the taking point, the taking profit level, our target of the afternoon. In South Africa is the afternoon, in US it's the morning. In other countries, I believe there are those who are still in the midday almost, or oh my god, my body, sorry, excuse me, my body's a little bit tired, man. I need a massage. I think maybe after some time I have to book massage. It's Easter, by the way. It's happening this weekend. Anyway, let's not advertise some people's business while we have our business to run. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Look at this candlesticks. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna just have to wait for this price to reach my take profit target. Then from there we will see where we're going. Maybe I will just have to close and end this live and continue with life. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe. As you all know that your subscription to the account really helps the account to grow. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget the bell button next to the subscribe button there. That small button, it's a notification bell that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified that I just uploaded a video. Oh, what was happening there? I was trying. I should have